Magandang gabi. Handa ka na ba sa iyong katanungan? Okay, you was born ready. Ang iyong napili ay si Binibining Benilyn Amigo Molina.
Hi,
Hello po, good evening.
good evening. Our category is about Bayanihang Spirit. In English, this is the question. The Filipino concept of Bayanihan involves community, unity, and helping one another. How can we promote this spirit of Bayanihan in today's modern society? I will translate it in Filipino. So, ang konsepto ng Pilipino ng bayanihan ay kinapapalooban ng pagkakaisa ng komunidad at pagtulong sa isa't isa. Paano natin maisusulong ang diwa ng bayanihan sa modernong lipunan ngayon?
Thank you. I firmly believe that Bayanihan is one of the iconic culture and values of Filipinas. And through Bayanihan, it fosters compassion and empathy. And I believe we can promote this in this time of modern generation if we were able to work hand in hand as one Filipino. Because Bayanihan, it is something that defines us identity as one Filipino. And I believe if we were able to have a collaborative effort to one another, we can make sure that no Filipinos will be left behind. Thank you and good evening.